stretching out. You gotta do that when you're old. So they might break, is what I'm saying. I have more of them if they break.
Oh, that's what you mean by shrapnel.
That's what I mean by shrapnel, yes.
I don't get care about getting pumpkin
If they
guts
were
in
made
my
of metal,
eyes.
it'd be fine. Ready? Stretching out. You gotta do that when you're old.
Three, two, one, go! I inspect the damage on this thing. Whoa!
God.
I caught that on camera.
We really need to bring her inside.
Okay, you bring her inside. I'll go. Wow, this is so sick. Oh God, get the hair out of my eyes. Okie doke.
All right, let's start this one. Nice. No. So did you actually hit it with the spikes? And not like down. Yep, there you go. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, you can pick it up.
Another pumpkin conquered.
All right. Pick
God,
it up.
look at that. Look, zoom in on that. 4 bullet holes. I think I did more damage than you.
Yeah, that was a good one. Woo. You hit it with 4 of 5 spikes. See? And see, that would crack it in half if you get it. It's a really good hit.
Okay.
All right, pick it up.
Your turn next?
Sure.
Can I have a turn next, actually?
No, I mean, you got 2.
Oh,
You get 2 shots to break it. I get 1 more.
No.
And then you can have more shots here.
Okay. Oh my God, 1 more hit and this thing's gonna crack. Do not crack it. Do not crack
I know. Just showing the camera
Jesus.
the damage. This camera right here.
It's so green, I can't tell how good it is.
Okay, you want to hit this side
No,
or
the
you
crack.
want the crack side? Okay.
This guy's gonna fly the hell off.
Oh, 1 more, I think. Okay, pick it up. Try another one. 1 more, it'll crack in half.
I don't think it's gonna survive that long if I'm being honest. You barely get up to the podium again. Beating a pumpkin senseless. Okay. Holy sh**. Did you get it? Oh, no, you did not.
No.
Whew. Goodness. Little Tim. Stepping up to the podium one last time. Mr. Pumpkin. I may piece him back together so it's a more satisfying fly off.
That's a good idea.
Okay. It's good. Okay. That's good. This thing looks like it has brain surgery.
Okay, this time you're gonna hit it towards me. Okay, you got here on camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to bleep you out.
Oh my God! The horror!
Darn teenagers.
Okay. we hit it again.
Here, turn it around this way. Hold on.
Okay. Oh my god, I'm not peaceful over there.
All right. I'm gonna stop it.
It will not break. Okay. Put it upside down one last time.
There we go. Okay.
One last hit.
Officially obliterated. Let's get one last look at the tool of destruction.
You should check this one out too. It's on the
Okay, okay.
14 clubs.
Look at that.
Damn.
We got one broken spike,
Pumpkin underneath the metal.
2 broken spikes.
It's a pumpkin.
Get your
Is that-
fingers out of there.
Is that a pumpkin?
Yeah, it's
pu-
under the thing.
It's in the spikes here too.
Yeah, 1, 2 broken.
Jesus Christ.
And I will replace those. Be good as new. New.
God.
Good as new.
Can we go buy like a pumpkin from Mother Earth Gardens or something and do this again?
Sure.